Good morning, my wonderful friends. As millions of Americans anxiously wait for a fourth stimulus check, it has been announced that many lucky Americans will receive $7,500 in stimulus payments from their state this year. This is to help with the ongoing crisis issues and rising prices of everyday necessities. So, my friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn if your state is sending out extra stimulus payments. Also, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. At the end of this video, I will be announcing the 3 winners of this Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Because of the work we did, this country is vaccinated and started building the economy, the bottom up and the middle out. Something incredible is happening. We're seeing a manufacturing revival I don't think even those of you from the Midwest thought would occur. The pride that comes from stamping products made in America. Intel came to see me, the CEO. He said he wants to invest $20 billion to build factories in Eastern Ohio, manufacture computer chips. Semiconductors, the power of the world in everyday life, smartphones, Intel, technology that doesn't exist today. And they're prepared to increase their investment from $20 billion now to $100 billion now. As soon as you get final passage, the innovation bill headed to conference now. This bill will invest another $200 billion to make us competitive.
A total of 3 rounds of stimulus payments so far have gone out to most Americans, the most recent of which was a $1,400 payment from the American Rescue Plan that President Biden signed into law in March of 2021. Right now, Congress is continuing to debate President Biden's legislative agenda, as well as a fourth stimulus package. A new round of direct stimulus checks would be a massive amount of spending, but it would also deliver a huge boost to the American economy. Direct payments help millions of Americans. A fourth stimulus check from the federal government is supported by over 100 lawmakers and economists. There are already several U.S. states that are giving out as much as $7,500 to people who meet certain criteria. Maryland Governor Larry Hogan has announced that families in the state of Maryland who filed for the Earned Income Tax Credit received immediate payments of $500. Individuals who filed for the credit received $300. And according to Governor Larry Hogan's website, the payments totaled $178 million and delivered relief to 400,000 Marylanders. Governor Larry Hogan and many top leaders in the state of Maryland have also agreed to lift the state's tax on gasoline and diesel to help blunt rising costs for its residents. The state of Maryland has also confirmed a $7.6 billion surplus. So now it is very likely that some of that money will be allocated towards another round of relief checks for residents of Maryland. The state of California has also sent millions of Golden State stimulus payments since the beginning of this crisis. These payments were worth up to $600 for individuals. However, many Californians can also receive an additional $500 if they claimed a dependent. So that added up to $1,100. The state of California is in the process of sending out the payments by direct deposit and allocating more money towards a third round of payments for all eligible California residents. Teachers in the state of Michigan who teach in a classroom will receive $2,000 in hazard pay. They will receive an additional $2,000 if they juggle hybrid learning duties as well. The state of Michigan has paid teachers across the state $500 in hazard pay earlier this year. Other school staff received $250. So, my friends, do you reside in a state that has given their own form of stimulus payment out to its residents? Please let me know in the comments section below. The state of Vermont has a unique offer. it is actively trying to get people to move to their state. And if you do, the state of Vermont will reimburse you up to $7,500 for qualifying moving expenses. But you have to move there to work in certain industries. There is a long list of eligible jobs. This month, the money will apply to individuals who move to the state of Vermont for remote work. Previously, frontline workers in Vermont received payments of up to $2,000 for staying on the job in the early days of the crisis. Also, in the state of New Mexico, they're using $5 million of the state's own money to help low-income households, for whatever reason, did not receive any of the first 3 rounds of stimulus payments from the federal government. So friends, a lot of stimulus money is going out to teachers. State legislatures in Georgia, Tennessee, Colorado, and Texas have authorized hazard pay to teachers, which is up to $1,000 in many cases. Florida school teachers may receive another stimulus payment this year of up to $1,000. And this is according to Governor Ron DeSantis. Approximately 177,000 teachers and principals in Florida are set to receive this payment. Governor DeSantis is also allocating another $600 million to raise minimum teacher salaries from $40,000 to $47,500. So friends, this is really great news for many of you who reside in these states. And I'm really excited that our lawmakers are taking action for the residents, because right now may be a very difficult time for millions of Americans. Inflation is causing great financial distress for many consumers. According to a new survey, 1 in 4 Americans were unable to pay some of their bills last month, while 62% said they've cut way back in their spending. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who is watching and who has joined me here today. I truly hope you found this video helpful. The 3 winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway are Linda Davenport, James Bell, and Katrina Britty. Congratulations, my good friends. Please, friends, remember, if you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, you simply have to click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and please do verify that you are also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.